It's an incredibly professional video editing software that also comes packed with AI tools for both creating and editing videos. With this software, you won't need any other tools since it takes care of the entire video production process. You can even let the AI do everything for you, so you don't have to lift a finger. Need an image? It has a text-to-image feature. Want to animate that image? You can do that here as well. Looking for music for your video? The AI can generate it for you right inside the software. Plus, with features like smart short clips and audio to video, you can quickly create viral videos in no time. And with Smart Scene Cut, you can easily grab the parts you want from a video without watching the whole thing. This software comes loaded with a wide range of AI tools that can save you tons of time. In my opinion, having all the tools you need in one software, ready to use at any moment, is absolutely essential. What's even better is that this video editing software provides a completely professional environment, making it a solid alternative to other editing software. It's lightweight, user-friendly, and delivers quick results. Today we're diving into Filmora, and while exploring its main features, we'll also be testing out its unique AI tools. So if you're into content creation, make sure to stick with me till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You can download the software for free using the link in the description. Installation is super quick and easy. Before entering the software's main interface, you'll see the AI tools, allowing you to start your work with whichever tool you like. I'll be testing most of them today, including image to video, planar tracking, AI portrait cutout, AI object remover, and AI music. But for now, I'll start with AI text to video. As we work, we'll test out these incredible AI features together. With this feature, you can write a text that will also serve as a voiceover, and the software will create an edited video with music and related visuals. If you don't have a text ready, you can even let the AI generate it for you.
Cooking is a chance to turn ordinary moments into something special. Mixing, stirring, and creating fills the kitchen with joy and delicious aromas.
Our text was about cooking, and nearly all the visuals match the theme. You can adjust and finalize the video however you like. The software's main interface, as you can see, is very user-friendly. If you've worked with other editing software before, it'll feel familiar and intuitive. The timeline, your primary workspace, provides all the professional tools you'll need. A new and exciting feature here is Filmora Copilot, a smart editing assistant that ensures you're never alone in the video creation process. It can execute tasks on your video based on a simple prompt. For beginners or those new to this software, Copilot is incredibly useful. In the Media tab, you'll find your raw project files, which you can drag onto the timeline for editing. But the fun begins with the image to video section, which offers trendy and creative templates. You can upload your images to Filmora either combined or separately and adjust the frame size as needed. Once that's done, the generated video will be directly added to the media section. The templates are equally exciting, easy to work with, and great for enhancing your videos. These videos can greatly enhance the appeal of your work. Let me tell you, Filmora handles this effortlessly and professionally. It's truly an expert in this field. In the custom section, you can even animate your images by writing a prompt. I want to change this part of the video using this method. So to start, I'll head over to the stock media section, one of the most useful features in Filmora's editing process. Here you have access to a large library that finds relevant content from various websites for your topic. Let's use the AI image tool instead, which allows you to create images by selecting a style and writing a simple prompt. Filmora is incredibly reliable in this section too. You can easily create videos from start to finish using tools like text to images and image to video. It's a brilliant and creative feature that Filmora handles with ease. You can select one of the generated options based on your preference and add it to your timeline. From there, you can open the image to video panel. Here you can choose the orientation, and if you have two images, use the stitch mode option. Simply write your prompt and your video will be added to the media panel, ready for use on the timeline.
It's a little act of magic that brings happiness to every meal.
In the Influencer Kit, you'll find amazing tools including creative intros that are easily customizable for your video. Another exciting feature here is the collection of stunning 2D and 3D logo animations that you can quickly edit and replace with your own logo. Switching to the audio tab, you'll find a huge collection of music and sound effects, more than enough for any style or preference.
Go up in Santa's sleigh.
What's even cooler is the ability to generate custom music for your video using AI.
Cooking is a chance to turn ordinary moments into something special.
AI can also create sound effects for you. For voiceovers, you can use the text-to-speech feature.
Wondershare. Creativity simplified.
Wondershare.
Creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
It supports various languages and offers a wide range of voice options.
Cooking is all about experimenting.
I realized I needed a final shot for the clip, so I easily created it by generating an image and turning it into a video directly in the software. This feature is simply incredible.
Step into the kitchen and let cooking brighten your day.
In the title section, you can use Filmora's fantastic text effects in your video. Trust me, there are so many cool options that you can absolutely rely on them. The title templates are also extremely useful and high quality. In the AI caption section, you'll find 3 tools: speech to text, AI translation, and dynamic captions. By clicking on transcribe, you can generate captions, select the original language, and even translate them into multiple languages. You can also customize the style of the captions, either individually or all at once. Next, the Transitions tab offers a wide variety of options to make your videos more engaging. The effects section is packed with fantastic options to enhance your projects, while the filters allow you to adjust color, lighting, and overall visuals. And there's also an amazing collection of stickers for different themes, perfect for creating YouTube videos, and they're super easy to use. If none of the options suit your needs, you can even create your own stickers using AI. The split screen feature is another handy tool you can use during the editing process. Filmora also offers a variety of templates that are visually stunning and highly practical. These templates are categorized for different purposes such as business, music, travel, Christmas, vlog, gaming, and more.
Cooking is a chance to turn ordinary moments into something special. Mixing, stirring, and creating fills the kitchen with joy and delicious aromas. Cooking is all about experimenting, having fun, and sharing love through food. It's a little act of magic that brings happiness to every meal. Step into the kitchen and let cooking brighten your day.
Now let's test some other Filmora features. AI Portrait Cutout is a trendy and exciting tool that makes your videos stand out. Planar Tracking allows you to effortlessly add objects, text, images, or videos to your clips. AI Object Removal can help you easily clean up your footage. With all these tools integrated into one editing software, you won't need multiple expensive AI subscriptions. Everything you need is right here. Until next time, stay creative.